Aquas here again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video we are going to learn about proxy servers and the importance of keeping anonymity when dealing with proxy servers. And in the realm of ethical hacking, maintaining anonymity while conducting security assessments and penetration testing is crucial. Proxy servers play a significant role in achieving this objective by serving as an intermediary between the user and the device connected to the internet. A proxy server acts as an intermediary between a user's device, such as computer or laptop, and the internet. So when a user requests access to the web resources, the request is first sent to the proxy server, which then forwards the request to the targeted server on behalf of the user. So similarly, when the target server responds, the response is routed back through the proxy server to the user's device, and therefore there is all means to keep a proxy server confidential. Why? Because the IP address masking through the process of routing, it reveals your true identity and location, and therefore anybody who wants to know where you tested the systems using penetration distros can be able to find your direction, where your location and your true identity. And for that reason, there is all needs to be able to change the proxies. And therefore this video assumes that you have already installed the Kali Linux, which is the distro that mostly is used for penetration testing. And again, do not hack systems that do not belong to yourself. Ensure that whatever you do in the system through the hacking belongs to you. This video is only used for educational purposes only, so do not hack systems that do not belong to you. Yes, so here we go. So I am in my root terminal, so I'm going to split this horizontally so that we can be able to work on it. The very first step in this, just use nano editor, which is GPU, for opening proxy chains. So we are going to say proxy, I'm sorry for that, proxy chains dot config. Actually this is a dot, hit to a enter, and the file is being edited by root. Accept. So when we open this, we are going to configure our settings. We can be able to see we have HTTP. This is the HTTP request that we are going to send to the internet. It is using SOCKS 4 or SOCKS 5. We can actually navigate through here. This is very important. The reason why we are using dynamic, and the reason why all these proxy chains are, the information which is being displayed here is hashed. You know, I know you have done programming, and when we hash items or elements, they are not going to be executed. And for that reason, the dynamic chain here initially initially was like this. So to be able to ensure that this is executed, you need to hash it, and it's very important because the dynamic chain, it is the proxy server that we want to change. We want to change this to dynamic situation so that it changes every time we request anything over the internet. So we only need to delete the hash. We navigate down. You ensure that strict chain is hashed and random chain also is hashed. Another important request thing that you need to do is to ensure that the proxy DNS request is unhashed, and this ensures that there are no DNS leaks when requesting servers or anything or packets over the internet. The other thing which you are going to do is ensure that the stall service in this, I guess yours is only one, so you're going to write SOCKS 5. Listen, you are going to type SOCKS 5 and you copy paste whatever is here to enable the toll service to start. Yeah, pretty good. So just hit Control O to save this. Control O, and then you exit. Oops. Yes, you accept. If you enter there, now we need to restart the service. So we need to restart the service. We're going to say service toll status. You can check the status of the toll. Yes, actually the state of the toll is disabled. So we come here, we start the service. So we say service service toll start. And it is actually restarting the service. So we can just verify that by typing toll restart. Here we go. Now just open your emulator, because I want to use Firefox to be able to verify that our DNS leaks has been changed and no DNS leaks when we are accessing web servers. So here we go. We open our emulator and type proxy. Good. Proxy chains. We are going to open it in Firefox, and we are using www.DuckDuckGo. This is go.com. So we open that. It's opening, so be patient with it. So it is opening. So our DuckDuckGo has been opened. It's a search engine. Actually, DuckDuckGo is a search engine like Chrome, but this one ensures that you keep privacy. So you guys, I know you are accustomed to using Chrome. Kindly use DuckDuckGo, and therefore you can just type check. You can check for DNS leaks. So guys, we are checking for DNS leaks. So you just need to type it in the DuckDuckGo. Remember, you're opening an in emulator because Firefox may not open in root terminal. Hit your search. It's searching. Be patient with it. It may take some time. So we have our DNS test leak here. You just need to click it and wait for it to respond.